rescue brief.
Okay, you're going to do a harness deployment right down where those guys are standing. Any questions?
Nick, do you want to do a trail line or just a straight up harness?
It's going to be a harness, but he's going to take the trail line, then he can send the trail line up for the litter to go back down, you know what I mean?
Assume we're ready.
Come in.
Roger, boom, somewhere out, hold. Sewer going down. Sewer's at the rail. Easy right. Sewer's going down. Easy right, hold. Sewer's halfway down. Position is good. Sewer's going down. Sewer's on deck. Taking the load. Litter is clear to the vessel. Clear room back to the left.
I'm going to stay right here. That's cool.
Litter's coming up. Litter is halfway up. Litter is below the aircraft. Litter is coming up. Litter is outside the door.
Got her.
Booming in the litter.
Hey Mike, could you call the ship and ask them to turn left? Help us out on the wind here a little bit.
Roger.
Like whatever that works out to be, 45 degrees to the left or something.
Booming in the Survivor.
Carnival Magic, Coast Guard helicopter.
I could turn my master volume down just a quarter turn.
Carnival Magic, Blade. How far you want them to come left?
Enough to put the wind off the nose, so put it like a 45. So maybe 45 degrees left.
Yes.
Bringing the Survivor into the
Carnival
cabin.
Magic, Coast Guard helicopter. Can you turn your nose, your bow?
Easy right. Hold. Position is good. Prepare to take the load.
Got her.
Take the load. Sewer surgeon coming up.
Alright, 8.8.
Look good.
Fairly still on deck. Sewer surgeon coming up.
Roger that.
Fairly still on deck. Sewer surgeon coming up. Sewer surgeon outside the door.
Roger.
Booming into the sewer. Surgeon.
You can throw away that trail line if you